Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful letter reading dito lamang po sa inyong lagi na bangan at sinusubaybayan na Renzo Tara Channel. Like a mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Okay, ang ating pong reading ay pagsasamahan ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Cancer. Okay, Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa aking channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, please do follow also ang ating TikTok account, RenzoTara444. And if you want to avail a private reading, huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-message po sa akin. Ulitin ko po, hindi po ako ang unang mag-message po sa inyo ha, sapagkat nagkalat po ang mga scammer na gagaya po ng ating account. So, kayo lang po ang unang mag-chat po sa akin for private reading. Okay? So, sige, kunin na natin, what is this? Cancer, ang iyong 10 bara para sa general reading. Okay? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, pakita niyo mga sa amin. Bigyan mo kami ng 10 cards para sa aming general reading for Cancer. Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, bigyan mo kami ng 10 cards. Okay? 6, 7, plus 3 cards for Cancer, Saint Michael, Holy Spirit. Alright, Cancer, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag nating patagalin pa ito. Cancer, for your general reading, simulan natin with your first card, which is the 4 of Cups. So, Cancer, if you're waiting for a help, kung nag-expect ka ng help, tulong, offer, something is about to come for you. 4 of Cups, I can feel an energy of, it's like, it's like an tulong sa isang bagay na maaring talagang gusto mong gawin but wala kang choice, but you badly needed help. Hindi ito magagawa ng ikaw lang mag-isa. That's why you're pushing yourself, you're making your ways para humingi ng tulong sa ibang tao na alam mo siyang makakatulong nito. And expect na parating to or bibigay to sa'yo. I can feel a very positive energy with this reading. So, Cancer, this is the sign. If you're waiting for a sign na humihingi ka ng tulong or parang merong something na i-offer sa'yo para makatulong sa pinoproblema mo or sitwasyon mo. So, expect help is on the way. So, tingnan natin. Sabi ko King of Pentacles, someone na maaring kakilala mo na dati nahihiya kang lapitan, mapera, yan King of Pentacles, someone, isang tao na medyo powerful, medyo, malaki yung network, kilala, influential, but in terms of money talaga, nakikita ko pera talaga dito. Malaki may tutulong nito sa'yo. Huwag kang mahiya, Cancer, then do what you think is kailangan gawin. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip pa na lumapit pa sa taong ito kasi malaki may tutulong talaga ito. Sabi ko so, the help that you are expecting ay talaga manggagaling sa taong ito. Someone na mapera or you know it on yourself, kakilala mo, connected ka, at least nagkaroon kayo ng nagsama kayo before sa something na parang connected sa community or nagkaroon kayo ng network before. Ngayon talagang naisip mo siya yung lapitan mo. So, congratulations, Cancer. May taong tutulong sa'yo. Okay? Judgment. So, here, expect na kumbaga darating itong tulong, itong blessing para sa'yo sa date or sa time na hindi mo in-expect. Maaring mas maaga, maaring mas medyo delayed or kumbaga ma-delay pa ng konti, but at least there will be kumbaga prompt result. Mabilisan itong resulta with a Judgment card here. So, it's like people will be looking after you, they will be inspired by your courage. Talagang hahangaan ka nila sa tapang mo na hindi ka talaga nag-give up, Cancer. It seems na talagang hindi mo sinusubukan itong bagay ito. You're doing your best. Nilalaban mo pa rin. And that's a very good virtue with the Judgment card here. It's like, all of your prayers, naririnig siya ng taas and may tulong na parating para sa'yo with the Judgment card here. 9 of Cups, Cancer. Good news. Okay? So, push for it. No hesitations, no buts, and if kailangan mo talaga ipagpatuloy ito, Cancer. Maybe nakikita mo sa kasalukuyan wala pang growth, wala pang development na nangyari, but you need to push you. Kailangan mo pa rin ipagpatuloy ito. Kailangan mo talagang ilaban. Okay, with the 9 of Cups here, I can see recognition, I can see appreciation, reward, bunga ng lahat ng paghihirap ay talagang ibibigay para sa'yo. Magkakaroon ng kumbaga kaliwanagan, there will be clarity, there will be good news about that thing na nilalaban mo. Maaring maraming tao hindi mo inaasahan. It's like no, biglaan pang dumating para offeran ka ng ganyan. So with the Nine of Cups here, expect good news, expect good result about something that you are doing, Cancer. I know, alam ko itong bagay nito ay talagang nilalaban mo for a long time at hindi mo pa rin gini-give up, Cancer. And believe me, in the soonest time, everything talaga magkoconnect-connect ito para sa'yo. Everything will fall into place. Three of Swords. So sorry. I can feel an energy of a little bit of disappointment and guilt here. Siguro may sitwasyon na nangyari, Cancer, na it seems na hindi mo expected or hindi mo naman gusto ang naging resulta, but seems na parang nangyari na and wala kang nagawa tungkol sa bagay na ito. That's why if you're feeling a little bit of guilt here and you're sad, disappointed, and also you're broken-hearted. So, maaaring may mga sitwasyon, mga bagay na nangyari na talaga medyo nasaktan ka kasi hindi mo kontrolado, hindi mo naagapan ang mga pangyayari. Okay? But I'm telling you, Cancer, we don't have a control about the things here in the universe. Nangyari na. So, just let it pass. Tanggalin mo yung guilt mo sa puso mo kasi maaaring maging blockage yan sa mga manifestations mo or pinagpipray mo or wini-wish mo. Just go forward. Patuloy pa rin ang hamon sa buhay. Harapin ito and, just focus on what do you think is needed na kailangan gawin. We have 5 cards here na natitira, Cancer, para sa iyo. So before we proceed, ulitin ko po, if you don't need pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube account, please do subscribe. Yan lang pong bayad na hingin ko po sa inyo. Mag-like, mag-comment, and share this video. And also, if you're watching this in our TikTok account, follow na rin po Renzo Tara 444. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin privately. Ulitin ko po, hindi po akong unang mag-message sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. That's a scammer po. Alright? So sige, Cancer, pang-ano mong bara sa yung general reading? Tower. There's a certain situation in your life that is going to collapse. Collapse of an institution, situation, na maaaring hindi na nakakatulong sa sitwasyon. It's not working for you anymore. Bagkos nagkakos pa siya ng sakit sa ulo, nakakadagdag pa siya sa problema. The universe is telling you that don't worry, Cancer. Everything will collapse. Everything will end. Matatapos ang lahat nito. Kaya magkakaroon na ng clarity, sabi ko nga, kasi bakit siya magko-collapse? Bakit siya matitigil? Matatapos kasi may tulong na parating. May solusyon na parating para sa problema mo, Cancer. Tungkol dito sa gusto mong mangyari. So, of course, matatapos na yan with the Tower card here. Believe me, Cancer, just need to focus. You need to stay on your lane. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Okay? Walang bibitaw, Cancer. 8 of Wands. So, this is sudden. Okay? Sudden windfall of good news and positivity. Mabilis itong ibubuhos sa'yo. Unexpected blessings are on the way for you, Cancer. May kinalaman din ito sa pera with the King of Pentacles here, stability and abundance. So, 8 of Wands is here. So, Cancer, expect good news, expect positive result, expect mga parating sa'yo mga hindi mo to plinano, hindi mo to pinaghandaan, but at least it will make you happy. Malaki itutulong nito sa current situation. Okay, if you feel that your life is not moving, if you feel na walang nangyayari sa buhay mo, so with the 8 of Wands, malaking relief ito, na at least makikita mo na, okay, may pag-asa pa pala. Despite of all na nangyayari, meron pa palang mga good news na parating para sa akin. Okay, i-claim mo ito, Cancer, because that's how life in the universe works. Okay, maaring ngayon, down, biglang kinabukasan, biglang taas na naman. So, life is full of surprises, Cancer. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala, kailangan mo lang palakasan ang loob mo. So, the Hermit. So, nakita ko dito na parang nag-isolate ka lately, Cancer, na nahimik ka for a long time. Nagkaroon ka ng self-introspection, nag-shadow work ka, everything na parang nagbuni-muni ka. There's a lot of things na parang nagbalik-tanaw ka para hanapin, tingnan kung saan ka nagkamali, kung ano bang dapat i-improve. There's a lot of things na marami kang tutunan. And with the Hermit card, I can see here na you are ready again, Cancer, to face the reality of life. Maraming learnings, maraming kumbaga mga bagay na kailangan na i-apply mo naman sa panibagong journey na tatahakin mo. But this is a good thing. I can see with the Hermit card talagang nagpaka-layo-layo kayo na naghimik kayo, wala mo nang narinig ang tao sa inyo. It seems na parang hindi kayo naging active lately, but now, I can see the energy again of visibility. Makikita ka na naman. You will be visible in the community again. Your voice will be heard again. Your smiles will be seen again. Cancer. So, with the Hermit card here, nakita ko lang dito na kung lately parang medyo nanahimik, now you're ready to face the crowd. Okay? So, pang-siyam, Seven of Swords. Okay. So, after all those disappointments, after all of these, swords, painful experiences, betrayals, mga problema na nangyari na dumating sa'yo, but still, hindi yan dason para mag-iba. Look at the background color which is yellow. It's very vibrant color of joy. Meron pa rin maganda. Meron pa rin nag-iintay na maganda para sa'yo after all of these things that happen in your life, Cancer. Medyo nag-antay ka man, matagal lang inaantay mo, matagal na ang pagkatenga mo, maaring feeling mo matagal, so you really want to give up kasi feeling mo wala na talaga pag-asa sa mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari. But always believe, okay, that was just a preparation for you, Cancer. You don't need to, kumbaga huwag kang maawa sa sarili mo. Kung bakit, feeling mo baka, ano na nangyari? Magaling naman ako, I know, I have everything. I have the skills, I have the wisdom, but still, bakit ganito? The Seven of Swords here, the universe is telling you, Cancer, that your recovery period is on the horizon. Malapit na ito. You're going to be happy again. As of now, you just need to accept the reality that lahat na nangyari ay kailangan tanggapin at wala na tayong magagawa doon. You need to move forward. Bitin mo lahat yung mga swords na yan, kunin mo kung ano tutunan mo dyan, and you need to move forward again. Because that's how the life of human being works in this universe. Alright? So, 10th and last card mo. So, sa yung napakagandang general reading, Cancer, Two of Pentacles. I can see here, hindi lang isang opportunity ang parating sa'yo. Hindi lang dalawa, but there's a lot. Okay? Marami kang pagpipilian, marami kang options. Okay? So, this also includes the reality na kailangan mo ring balansehin ang mga bagay-bagay. Maaring na, ito, kasi isa din sa nagkukos sa'yo ng disappointment o parang medyo kabiguan sa puso is because you're being stuck into mentality na parang wala nang improvement ang buhay mo. That's why overthinking, worries, doubts, anxiety, kung kailan ba talaga may improvement pa ba ang buhay mo. So you need to balance. And also, ang kapalit niya ng lahat ng yan, sabi ko ng mga pag-aantay mo na ito, kapalit nito mga paghihirap mo ito at paglaban mo sa pangarap mo, ay hindi lang isa, but mas marami pang opportunity with the Two of Pentacles. Just need to focus, Cancer. With the Nine of Cups here, expect good news. Expect conclusion ng mga problema mo. So, may tulong na parating, offer, tower, magtatapos na lahat ng mga sitwasyon na hindi na para sa iyo. Okay, with the Eight of Wands here, expect sudden, biglaan itong surprise, may kinalaman sa pera. And yes, Cancer, you are on the way, on the path to recovery. Believe me. Alright? So, thank you so much mga pinamahal kong Cancer na soulmate sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support. Nasa mga kayo naroroon, ano man ang ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.